Fresh shrimp prepared in a tasty marinade. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking from the water and making our simple marinated shrimp. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Begin by peeling and deveining shrimp. I remove the heads from these shrimp to make stock for a future recipe. Some folks peel the entire shrimp. But I prefer to keep the tail on. Devein shrimp and set shrimp aside. Take a moment to give this seafood recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other shrimp recipes. If you like what you see, subscribe below. This helps our channel grow. To make the first half of marinade, pour olive oil into a large bowl. Mince garlic, fresh rosemary, and fresh oregano. Add them to the olive oil. Add lemon zest, whisk to combine. Also add bay leaves. Place shrimp into the bowl. Coat shrimp with the marinade. Cover and refrigerate 3 hours, stirring halfway through. List your top 3 seafoods to marinate. Leave your list in the comment section of this recipe. To finish, place a skillet over medium heat and spray it with nonstick spray. Pour shrimp and marinade into skillet. Gently combine. Pour in white wine, chicken broth, and fresh lemon juice. Gently combine again. Add salt and pepper. Combine. Cover and cook 10 to 12 minutes, turning shrimp halfway through. The shrimp are done when they turn an orange or pink color. Transfer shrimp to a serving dish using a slotted spoon. If you have enjoyed this recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe and click notifications to know when we release new recipes. Boil marinade, then reduce to simmer. Cook 10 minutes, stirring halfway through. The marinade should have reduced by half. Remove from heat and spoon marinade over shrimp. Serve immediately. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.